Yes, bafethu support bude machola diyong le machola po Mr. CEO yasestudio bafethu maseding bona hlalazi ukuthi sibuyile ntwana mkasi TV and asibuya ngasonto sibuye negama le show so it's called Culture Corner bafethu ntwana mkasi we Culture Corner that's why singenelela kuma event si capture anything ezakalayo support local cause local is like namhlanje sikwathema bafethu ku Ekasi Music Fest sithi sobheka ukuthi kwenzakalani by the way is a charity event so bakhuluma ngama donation so bekuningi entertainment kwenzakalayo njoba sesifikile kunabantu stage abayenza so yona Ekasi TV last kwathema Ekasi Music Fest asibangela mfowethu. Yizo bafethu esisekhona bafethu la eKwathema mhlakane neartist ngithi no asingumthathu uJoda because ngiyamanzi une talent elibest bafethu so hlezi sisho sithi support local because local is like without wasting isikhathi athi umjida ngimnika imic athi introduce bese siyaqhubeka mfo intro show barela mfere shap igama yekela kusifihla mfasakini igama then usho ukuthi wena kule industry usibana kanjani uyini ola bafethu babheke ya ngababheke ngiyabona show bafethu hayi lo ushathi polisi ngithola bafethu umsindo unganamsindo bafethu labadena samashona bafethu hayi bafethu mina ngumculo you understand ngiyacula ngiyawuthengisa futhi umculo uphinda futhi ngiyabhala ke bafethu ke uphinde ke bese ngiya entertainer ngezinye izinto so ngitholakala kuwo wonke ama platforms ngitholakala ku Twitter ngiyatholakala ku Facebook ngiyatholakala ku Instagram uzongithola lapha yana iTikTok ngiyaqala manje ngishaya wona lama content ufuna ukwenza show ukuthi ngiyawudula lo mzimba yonke into ibashaya ngithola bafethu so asikanjani yes bafethu nimsearch Shanti Shy okay so namhlanje ku Ekasi Music Fest kuthini kuwe njenge artist kubantu esifuna abasupport local because most of the people masikhuluma amaqinisi local like by underestimate to find them ukuthi Ekasi lapho with music but bancane abantu abakusupport so kuthini kuwe masiyongena ama event aso and izinto ongayitshela ebantwini bakhuthaze ngokuthi basupport ama event aso yonke ishow yini yazona lo ngiyathinteka vele ngiyakholeka as much as wazi ukuthi sibabuze vele ngale way far we've been selling songs kubantu abakhulu and we are not getting into lesidinga like us you understand anyway you better understand because I think just fail maybe they are not familiar ngathi imic abantu abafuna le abantu asebabazi but you gotta know something labantu bazisha suka like us so you gotta know the rarest of the rarest like the raw yabona le ngathi ngela ikathidwa ikayenzwa next know that you also understand ukuthi umculo it's not just anything umculo it's a message and mfethu each and every atom esiyiyo umuntu nomuntu is an atom so mfethu like isonke sile message very different get our messages are very different and I think you should like this you should like to see umntana kilo khulayo akhona ukuphumelela from into ayithandayo so if you can't support umuntu osekhasi lapho how do you think when abawuqala something ukhona umuntu ozosupporta wena ungakazi usupport like start by supporting umuntu now uzokwazi ukuthola support yabo njengoba kuso I like it in the crowd but I wish there were more people like abantu abadala they should be checking this because manele bafuna ukungani zabo understand manje bafuna ukungani zabo siyekele ukuletha ama talents siyekele ukubona ngathi abantwana lezi bazenza makho this is not a home uyiyo le tayenzayo bawubona jika jive lo mntwana uyayidinga le iyamhila somewhere somehow siyahamba sabantwana usemokoteni akuthi kanti izinto ezingabayila zina eduze kwethu so i-talent yokubana make sure ukuthi ukuthi usekase izinto zikanjani mfethu. Yes, the picture is sold. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukufana nomuntu ohlala le emasentini lapho nalapho, but you know what, akusiyibo abane-life, ithi esine-life thina sikhona ukuhleka mfethu singanalutho. So guys, ikasi is the best thing esinayo, and they must sit together, everything will flow njengamanje.
Sure, hayi sekakushila ubhuti konke waphinda futhi washo ukuthi utholakala kuphi. Siyintwanami Kasi TV sikufisela bonke ukuthi ngathi umuzik wakungaqhubeka, and bafethu let's support, please let's support cause bafethu kuningi esikuphuthelayo lana. So futhi sibonile on behalf of intwanami siyabonga futhi.
Bonga mina ntwana yami.
Ngiyakela sizonke bafethu saqhubeka kumnandi sesekhona la intwanami Kasi TV ngusibula majola mina. Asiqhubekeni bafethu. Bafethu njengoba senibona ilanga lishonile mara ubumnandi buyaqhubeka ku-event sicela ukuzwa bathi abantwana abangene endlini for i-safety bafethu. Into egrand esiyibongayo la eceleni kwami ngiphethe athi ngabhizi ngimusho uzozi-introduce yena bafo sacela introduction.
Afethu, I go by the name of Zach Wiles and I'm here to mess the stage up. What you doing?
Okay mfo besides okunye nokunye sacela usitshele siku eKasi Music Fest kuthini kuwe mas attend ama event ana kanje whereby si supporta ilocally upcoming kuthini kuwe, and another thing uya perform right? So yini enye esingayilindela from kuZach Wiles?
What you can wait for from Zach Wiles ukuthi we're dropping new music soon. Usikaba Jwetsa igwababa iscoop bafethu ningalindi kakhulu just very soon. Okunye ngikulindele kule event ukuthi yabo si connect as ama artists sipushe ikasi Kasi Music yathola like as basho ukuthi it's Kasi Music Fest and i-charity edition, so abantu balontuzile bakhiphile bakhonayo ukukhipha. So what I'm looking for ukuthi is heavy fun and expand as an artist.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa but so without wasting isikhathi mfo I think ngekudala bazokubiza stage thina sintwanami Kasi TV sikufisela konke okuhle ngo music wakho nako konke okwenzayo mfethu ngathi ngaqhubekela phambili kube impumelelo. Abantu abakulandelayo bangakuthola kuphi?
Ungangithola ku YouTube at Zach Wiles, ungangithola ku Facebook at Zach Wiles, ungangithola ku X at Zach Wiles, everywhere Zach Wiles.
Yes, and one thing engingayazi bafethu abayikhumbulayo episode esifakile kokuqala ukuthi uZach nayo iphathi entwanami Kasi TV. So let's subscribe and like Ntwanami Kasi TV, pushing the culture of ikasi. Sesekwathema seseku eKasi Music Fest sesemnandi bafethu sibuda majola. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Sesekwathema I go by the name of Sibuda Majola Diyongile Majola Boy. Ngizohlezi ngizi-introduce bese ngithi kuwe ungakhohlwa ku-subscribe and like to Ntwanami Kasi TV. Ngiphethe artist manje without wasting isikhathi futhi ngisacela uzi-introduce.
Hola, igama lami nguLova K bafethu. I am a new coming artist. Wetsakani elangavili bafethu extension 6.
Okay, so Puti athi ngithi ukukubuza nje ukuthi abantu abakusupportayo, abantu abafuna ukuzwa music wakho yini abangalindela from kuwe?
Yeah, abantu abangisupportayo bangalinda umuzik wami uzotholakala ku YouTube. Then lesisikhathi masesama uzotholakala ku all platforms.
Bese mangibuza what kind of music owenzayo?
Ngishaya eKasi Red.
Oh, Kasi Rap kuma social media puti.
Kuma social media ngitholakala ku Facebook ngitholakala ngo Thabiso Moses bese i TikTok ngitholakala ngo LovaK_27 kula ngitholakala khona kwamanje.
Okay, na umbuzo puti nje uvese uthi fahla kusho ukuthini kuwe as upcoming artist ukuba kuma event aso esikhathini abantu aba-attend ama event wama upcoming because of manje sadlalo yabo ba-attend lezi phezulu so kusho ukuthini kuwe ukuba i-artist elizoperforma ku-event esona and futhi kuba ku-event eso.
Ya lokhu kusho okukhulu kimi kuyangibonisa ukuthi masabantu sibambisene lo msebenzi usiwenza abantu bawuthanda.
Okay butami engingakusho mina nguSibuda Majola from Ntwana Mkasi TV sikufisela konke okuhle ngathi music wakho ungaqhubeka ube usabalale zonke indawo ube kuzonke indawo bawuzwe nje modern suka phuma la ekuruleni nje izinto enjalo butami sikufisela konke okuhle butami.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga nakukasi
Kasi TV Ntwana Mkasi TV sekashilo ubuti bafethu ungakhohlwa please subscribe and like nguSibuda Majola mina sisapusha sibukela ama performance kusemnandi lana.